This video, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of map animation video in just 1 minute using Canva. So first, you need to come to your Canva account, then click on video, then select landscape video. After that, you just need to go to the left section and select apps. Then here, you just need to search for map video. Then you can find the map video option, select it. And now you have to choose the video duration. You can choose 5 or 10 seconds. I'll just do 5 seconds. And here's the plane icon. I'll choose this plane. And this is the country where you want to begin the animation from. So I'll just select Brazil and India for the default. And you can also add flag fill like the video, or also show the add text. So I'll just select both and just click video. And after a few seconds, your video will be generated. So as you can see, our video has been generated. You just need to select add to design. And after adding the video in the design, you just need to expand the video, download this, and go to share. And here you'll find the download, and you can download HD or 4K. So here's the final result. As you can see, it's very easy to create map animation video in Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe.